Hey YouTube, just wanted to do a quick walk around on this bike. This is my older brother's bike. It's a 2009 Crossplane R1 Special Edition. See, it's got the Special Edition fairings on there. My R1 is in Virginia, so taking his out today. 79 degrees out. Pretty nice out today here in Charlotte, North Carolina. So it's got the Toce exhaust. I think it goes down, slip-ons, mid-pipes, and then factory headers. It's got the nice R1 seat covers on there. He's got Vortex chain and sprockets, 47 to the rear with the gold chain on there. Looks really nice. Bike's in great condition. It's got the Pro Grip carbon fiber tank protector on there. So just letting this thing air out today, man. Take it for a little spin. He's got the MZS levers, really nice. Grips are nice. So yeah, this is the bike. Gonna do a little startup with the Toce exhaust. Let you guys hear it. Try to set this down somewhere. Set it right here. Hopefully that's spot on. Yeah, this baby runs real good. 30,000 miles on it. Got the A mode, SCD, B mode, all the different riding modes. So it sounds real good. That's it. Crossplane engine right there. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.